Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. If you're looking for a list of herbs and spices that go well with pumpkin and you're wanting something different to do and getting some new ideas, hopefully this list will help you out. We know that allspice goes well with it, as does basil, bay leaf, cardamom, cayenne, chili pepper flakes, cilantro, cinnamon, cloves, coriander, cumin, curry leaves and curry powder, fennel seeds, garam masala, ginger, lemongrass, mace, mint, mustard seeds, nutmeg, paprika, parsley, pepper as in black pepper, rosemary, sage, tarragon, thyme, and vanilla. So you can see that takes you in a sweet or a savory type of dish using pumpkin. Well, I do hope this helps you out. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.